Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool mismatch right here, and basically what this is a face mask sheet. If you can see the one that we got right here from this brand right here, and this is the honey essence. They do have this available in other scents as well, such as aloe, green tea, and the list goes on. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you prefer. But you see the bottom right here, they probably got some of the benefits of using the powder here. And when you guys turn it around to the back part right here, they probably got all the steps in terms of how to use it. So definitely the first thing I'm going to do is wash your face and cleanse it first to make sure it's clean before you guys put it on. And if you guys want to use a toner, you can definitely do that as well. And then once you guys do that, the next step is to put it on. And you guys want to leave it on for around like 15-20 minutes or until all the liquid is all gone and dried up. Then you guys are all done. So that is everything that's on the powder here. Let me actually go to the restroom and set this up to show you guys how to use it and show you guys what the inside looks like. And then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so right here I do have the product. So first thing I want to do is to wash my face and cleanse it first before I actually use it. So let's do that first. So the cleanser that I'll be using is basically the same thing, which is this one right here from the Cortex brand. Alright, let's get some of these cleanser. Apply this onto my face. And basically for this cleanser, I do highly recommend using it because I've been using this for a while. Usually after I shave. Alright, let's rinse it. Alright, so we're done cleansing it. And also, you can see my face right here, I do have some beard. So when you guys have a beard, the actual face mask, the face sheet, it won't work as well because it won't stick too well in the bottom part. So what I want to do now is to open up the product and show you guys what the inside looks like before we put it on. Alright, so once you guys take it out, this is what the inside looks like. Let's fully open it up. Alright, so once you guys open up, this is what the inside looks like. Let's put it on. So right off the bat, when you guys smell the pot on here, it smells pretty nice. So usually like the forehead area is pretty easy, but everything else is pretty hard in the bottom part, especially like I mentioned if you guys have a beard. And you don't want to smooth it out. Alright, let's smooth out the bottom part as well. Alright, so once you guys fully set it up, this is what the pot looks like right here. You can see the bottom part right here is starting to actually fall apart already because of the beard. So what I recommend is that when you guys use it, if you guys do have a beard, you probably want to shave your beard before you guys use it. But I'm going to leave this on for roughly around 15 to 20 minutes until the actual product fully dries and there's no more liquid or barely any liquid left. Then I want to take it off. So come back and check on it after 15-20 minutes or maybe more than that. Alright, so it's been around like 25 minutes or so. I waited a little bit longer so that way it can fully dry. You can see the bottom part here is starting to get loose because of the beard that we have on here. But basically most of the liquids are all gone. If there is any extra one that's left over, you definitely peel this off and just start wiping against your skin or your face or whatever. But this is what the product looks like once you guys are done using it. Let's take it off. Alright, so I do notice some of the parts on here still have a little bit of liquid. So I just want to use that and just wipe it around my face wherever I want to. So that way I don't waste it. And use it very gently. You don't have to use it too hard. Alright, so once you guys are done, you guys can throw away and you guys are all done. So that is how you guys use the powder here. You can see very simple and very easy to use. Alright, welcome back guys. So nice little quick test upon definitely actually does work, actually works quite well. So once you guys use the product on your face, you can definitely feel like the hydration and moisturizing feeling once you guys put it on. You definitely want to use it often so that way you can get the best benefit of using these face masks right here. But that is basically everything that's on the powder here. Now to go unboxing and testing product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for the powder here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want more than one of these. Especially if you guys care about your skin and you guys want to get some high quality face mask sheet, then I would definitely have to say that this is actually really worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't even want or have to one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.